Hey everyone, and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. This week's Tech Tip is going to show you how you can group tabs and clean up your bookmarks in Google Chrome.
Okay, so if you are someone like me who oftentimes throughout the day will have a lot of tabs open, you may want to consider grouping your tabs. You'll notice up here I have all of these underlined in red. That's because I've added each one of these to this tab, this group tab called Daily, which means I can then collapse it and give myself some more room. And then when I need the material, then I can just expand it to find the tab that I'm looking for. To do this, you're going to right click on a tab. Go down to the third one down here, add tab to group. I'm actually going to add a new tab here called Lumio. I'm going to give it a color to help me in organizing my space. And then you'll notice this one is now in Lumio. I can then add my other tabs that have to do with Lumio into this as well, which then allows me to be able to collapse those down as needed. So now I have my daily tabs and my Lumio tabs, and I can just open those up, close those as I need them. If I want to switch places, you can just drag and drop. That way you can rearrange your tabs as needed. But this is a great way to give yourself some extra space up on the top if you are somebody like me who likes to have lots of tabs open. So that is your grouping tabs in Google Chrome.
All right, let's talk cleaning up your bookmarks. So if you'll go up to your bookmarks bar, you'll notice that you probably have a lot of bookmarks. You can also go all the way to the right and see these little tiny arrows. These are your hidden bookmarks. So if you click on those, you'll be able to see the bookmarks that you have hidden. What we want to do is we want to clean this up. This is meant to be quick links to get you to things that you use often. So if you see a bookmark on there that you haven't touched in a few years, we're going to delete that. So if I go to a bookmark that I need to delete, I can right click on that bookmark, and then it's just as simple as going down and pressing delete. Okay, the next thing I want to show you how to do real quick is how to make a folder. So you can actually make folders up here where you can put some of these things into a folder to keep them organized. So we are going to go to our bookmarks manager. So we're going to go to the three dots in the top right hand corner. We're going to click on bookmarks, and we're going to go to bookmark manager. Once you're in your bookmarks manager, you're going to go back to these three dots in the top right hand corner, and you are going to go to add new folder. So go ahead and give your folder a name and click save. You'll notice that your folder pops up on the left hand side. Your folder also pops up down in your list of bookmarks. So here is my folder down here. Now you can move your bookmarks in a few different ways. So from here, you can just click the bookmark that you want to move, click and hold it, and you're going to drag it down and drop it into that folder. You can also do the same thing from your bookmarks bar. So I can grab a bookmark that I want, I'm going to click and hold down, and I'm just going to go drag it into the folder that I want it to go in. If you'll notice now, once I go to my instructional tech folder, you'll see the bookmarks that I dropped in. This is just a nice way to keep your bookmarks organized, especially if you're like me and you have a lot of bookmarks. If you have any questions, feel free to contact your school's ITS and we'll be happy to help. We hope you have a great week.